Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to turn on two-factor verification on Gmail account. So let's move. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone setting. So I'm going to click on here to access my phone settings. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down. Then you have to navigate to Google. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on manage your Google account. Then you have to navigate to security right here. Click on security, just like so. Then you have to simply scroll down and then you have to navigate to two-step verification. Click on that. Then you have to simply scroll down. What you need to do here is to simply click on continue. Then in this video here, I'm going to use another alternative. So I'm going to simply scroll down here. I'm going to use try another way right here. Then I'm going to enter my password right here. Then I'll click on next. Then right here, you will have to add your phone number. Okay, so I'm going to simply click on here, add a phone number. I'm going to choose my country code right here. So I will choose Nigerian as my country code. So I have to scroll down until I see Nigerian. Then I'm going to select my country. Then I have to enter the mobile number. Okay, so I've entered my number. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on next. Then I'm waiting for the code, right? So still waiting for the code. Let me quickly go to my message and I will check on my message right here. Then we have the code right here, 571230. And I'll come back here. I will enter 571230. 230. Then I'll click on verify. Turn on two-factor. So that's the next step. So just like so, then everything has been completely set. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on done right here. So basically, this is how to turn on two-step verification for your Google account or Gmail account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.